So starting the test drive in this Palisade SE here, the V6 is pretty strong and it pairs nicely with this 8-speed, but I really like that you're able to use these different drive modes here. So I'm in Eco right now, easy to go to normal, sport, my drive, which you can configure, and it just makes it kind of cool where you can have these different almost vehicles within one depending on what you're wanting or what you're needing in a certain situation. Now the sport mode, it definitely livens it up a bit. It gets a bit more aggressive in terms of the shift points, how much power you're getting from the engine. Not something I would use on a regular basis in this vehicle particularly, but it's nice to have. Gonna try to give it a quick run here. Here we go. So I mean, it's quick. Now I want to give one more huge thanks to Hyundai of Cool Springs for allowing me to review this vehicle today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. But I mean, the ride down the interstate was fantastic. For this road to be as beat up as it is, the sound acoustics are really good. The ride quality was phenomenal. Now I will say, finding the drive mode switch, because of this new interior here, you kind of have to think, okay, it's right here behind the shifter. I think it's a good place to put it, you know, because it's close, but also it's kind of hard to see. So I'm looking around like, where is that thing again? But it's right there. Now, in terms of what you get for the money, I mean, this is a little under $43,000. And as much as I was complaining in the walk around portion about having the manual seat, once you get this thing adjusted, it is relatively comfortable. It's actually just really comfortable in general to be a cloth seat. It doesn't feel overly stiff. It doesn't feel cheap. Again, it's comfortable to be the kind of seat that it is. And then when you think about having the wireless CarPlay, Android Auto compatibility, the dual zone climate controls, you don't have a heated steering wheel, you don't have heated seats, but you have this nice leather wrap steering wheel, which feels fantastic. It's just, again, it's a nice SUV for this base model here. If you're looking at a Tahoe LS, or if you're looking at an Expedition in the basic trim, you're gonna be paying more than you would for this. And it's a Hyundai, but I mean, honestly, in a lot of ways, Hyundai is stomping out Ford, GM, just with their base models, because this is like what a four-door car is right now. So I really can't be disappointed in this. But I know times are hard for a lot of us out there, and if you still need a new three-row SUV and you're trying to spend the least amount of money possible, a full-size SUV, take a look at this. You might decide to go with this. So all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2026 Hyundai Palisade, and this one is an SE front-wheel drive.